Hello guys, it's me Abdul Hannan. Welcome back to another video. Hope all of you are doing well and working on the Go High level. So in today's video, we are going to see how we can import the contact inside the Go High level CRM. Okay, so for that you have to make sure that you have the correct contact data. Like for example, we can understand it like that. You have the client and the client have the leads data like the first name, the email. You just have to check the data, everything is correct and not duplicate contact inside the CSV file. Once you check that, you have to make sure that import all the data inside your Google Sheet and what you can do, just click here. Okay, so this is the data that we have to import inside the CRM. This is a dummy data, don't need to follow this one. Okay, so for now you have to click here, download file and download file as a CSV. So make sure that your file should be in the CSV format, because when your file in the CSV format, the CRM can easily pick the data from your file. Okay, so save this or download this file inside your computer. Now your file is ready inside the format of CSV. Now go back to your builder. Inside the contact, you have option to import. I have also explained the contact tab in detailed video that is also on my YouTube channel. Go to the channel. I have also the video link inside the description and the top of this video. You just click and watch the video. And this is the complete guide of how to use the contact tab of the Go High level. And this specific video we are just go through how to import the contact through the CSV file. For that you have to click here to import the file. You have two options, the contact and the opportunities. For now just go with the contact. We will cover opportunities in our upcoming videos. And next you have to click here next. Now you have to select the file, click here, and then this is the dummy contact list open. Now the contact list is open. Now you have two options, create and update the contact. Like means that the contact is already in the CRM. If not, they will create. If contact is already in the CRM, then they will update the data. Like you should change the number or the age group, something like that. Or you just want to create the contact, like all the contact are new. You need to create the contact and update the contact also. Okay, so these are the field: contact ID, email, then phone. Okay, so click here next, and then this is the most important step to map out the field. Every time whenever clients share the CSV file with you, you have to create the custom field and the custom values. Means that the field that is present inside your CRM make be also present inside your CSV file. Now how you can understand this? For example, this is the sheet and we have column option like age group, the phone number, email, the last name and the first name. Let's say that there is a field and the field is not present inside the CRM. Like we can say that like your interest. Okay, so this is the field. Now what we need to do, we have to create the custom field and the for this, like your interest. Now you inside the CRM, go to the custom value and the custom field. You can create the field like your interest and any field regarding to your client document. Okay, so if you want to learn how to create the custom field and the custom value, I have also explained this in my in my previous video. Just go and watch the video. I am also add the video link inside the description and the top of this video. You just have to click here and watch the video. After all, you have mapped all the field, means that the field inside your CSV should also be present inside your CRM. Okay, so now when all the data is mapped, means that all the field inside the CSV also present inside the CRM. Okay, so click on the next button and then I confirm all the contact import have unique data. You just have to click this and now you have two options, create the smart list. I am also create this and explain the smart list in my contact tab video. Go and watch the video. And add import contact into the workflow, means that your client want like the dormant contact, and the dormant contact is something like that. You have all the contact inside the database deactivation campaigns. You just import directly contact inside the workflows. From here, click here and select the workflow, and then you can add tag to the import contact. Mean that this contact are from the LinkedIn, from any source. You can just tag for your future references. Okay, click here and then add tag. For now just we can skip it and then start bulk import. Okay, so once you click on the start bulk import, you can see all the contacts are added inside your CRM like Harper, Robin, Alexander, and you can see like so you can see this is the contact that is created like 14 March, and the date is mentioned, the action name, last activities, the right now. Okay, so all the contacts you can just check by copy any name and make sure that the contact is import. For that you can also add the tag. You just apply the tag from the advanced filter and you can easily find out all the contact. So yeah, that's it about this video, how to import the contact. I hope this video finds you well. If you like the video, subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.